Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to forward a text and Google Messages. So first I just want you to make sure that you are or you have the last updates of Google Messages from the Play Store or the App Store. So to do that you just need to go to your Play Store and then go to the search icon, tap on it, and right here type messages. So just alright, so tap on the first choice that appears to you, and right here go into the messages and make sure that you have the last update of it. And you can also look for Google Messages. Alright, and here I have that one, so tap on it and right here check if there are any last updates, so to make sure that you have the last version of it. Alright, so once you get the last updates, follow my steps. So here I just want you to go into your app, Google Messages, and right here let's consider that this is the message that you want to forward. For example, let's go through that one. Alright, so tap on it and right here let's choose that one. Okay, so once you want to forward a message, you just need to tap and hold, so it will be in a different color, and once it's in a different color it will be visible to you here, right here on the top right side, four icons. So I just want you to go into these 3 points and you will see here 3 options. One of them is forward, so tap on forward, and right here you just need to select the one that you want to forward the message to. So let's forward the message to for example this contact. Okay, so you can forward the message to multiple contacts. So let's just choose one, and then after that I want you to go into next, tap on next, and here as you can see the message is auto typed right here. You just need to tap on SMS and it will be forwarded. Anyways guys, that's the video. This is how to forward a text and Google Messages. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.